And in my opinion, I think they can build something very promising. Yes, very promising. That's the word. And I think this could be very. We could see here new higher highs in the future. Right now we are at $3.50.
Can you see if it works normal?
$3.50, and yes, I think we could here, if we're buying it on dollar cost average, we could see here in a 10x, right? We are right something like 10x, yes, in the next bull run, right? But it's a more risky project than to invest in Ethereum or Bitcoin, obviously, right? But the more risk, the more rewards. You're online here also?
It's working now. People starting to join.
You are very handsome.
It was Oksana.
Really? Thank you, Oksana. So this was I analyzed right now ApeCoin, guys. So it's very promising project in my opinion, and in my opinion,
Well,
yeah.
nice. It's working. But you need how you charge all this stuff.
What do you
Oh,
mean?
you have charger here.
Yeah, I have to.
This is the new iPad, right? iPad Pro. Hello, beautiful people. Make sure you. We said this before on Slavik's Live, guys. Make sure you switch your USDT. I split it between BUSD, USDC, and USDT.
So people asking for ADA.
This guy's back.
Yeah, I blocked him again.
Next time you can tell Svetlana to block people automatically.
Yeah. So let us watch on Cardano, guys, because some people asked about Cardano. So we are watching right now. I show you. Wait a minute. Let's watch right now Cardano. So Cardano.
Hello, guys.
Wait a minute. Cardano. We see right now here finding some support at. Wait a minute. At 45. At 45 cents, right? You see here some support, but this is not a huge support. So if Bitcoin will further go down,
but what is this
week? I don't know. This was some liquidation week. So if we are, if Bitcoin falling further down, my next price target are $38. Why they again, Vlad? Твою мать. This is $38. The next support will be $38, and after the next support would be $34. So these are the next support. If we can hold this, after support would be $27, and the real huge support is here. The real huge support is at $17. So 17 cents. Sorry, it's all 7 cents, right? So this is on.
Crazy. Cardano went up to what?
Well, yeah, Cardano was up to what was it? $3. Yeah, Cardano was nearly $3, man. This is crazy.
Oh, but back here in 2021.
Yeah. Do you think Cardano
I
is
think
a
19K,
scam?
guys.
I don't think that Cardano is a scam, but they have to do something, you know, about it.
Now all projects. If you were here in 2017, most projects go to zero. So be careful.
Can you talk more about Supermoon? What time specific does it go up during the night or day or Supermoon? Did you hear the theory of the Supermoon? Do you want to see it? So look, this Supermoon. This is crazy to know all the people who are here. I analyzed everything about the supermoon. The theory, so supermoon called if the moon is the most near distance to the earth, right? And people saying, you know, this theory about the moon phase, when we have full moon, then we see huge pump. And some people telling, so tomorrow we will have another supermoon, right? Tomorrow will be supermoon, and people say if we have a supermoon, we'll see huge pump, right? And based on the past, I made an analysis about the supermoon. I show you also here, and also to everyone who
usually pumps on the full moon, huh?
Yes, but a supermoon is special because this is the nearest, right? And in the past, we had here some supermoons, and look at this, 2020. Wait a minute, I show you. 2000. Guys, wait a minute. So 2020, we had a supermoon at March. 9th March 2020, right? We had the supermoon, and look at this. Wait a minute. March 2020 was here. This was the supermoon. March 2020, and look, this one is the supermoon, and this was exact the bottom of the whole bear market. You see, after it we saw this huge pump
But
to
that
the
was
upside.
COVID.
No, this 2020
Yeah,
March.
COVID. March 2020 was COVID, the day of the COVID crash.
Really? Ah, yes. But we see here,
Yeah,
we see here supermoon. You know, this was the supermoon
Yeah.
when we saw we go up. The next supermoon 2020 was in April 8, 2020. April 2020 was, I think it was here. Yes. You see, after the supermoon, we saw another huge pump, right? And the next one was on the 7th May 2020, and 7th May 2020 was here, right? Here was the 7th May, this was another supermoon, and we saw here again a huge pump, right? And if we're watching 2021 supermoon, the first supermoon was on 27 April 2021. This was here, 2020. 27 April was here. We saw huge pump, you see. But no, there was previous in 28 March also there was a supermoon. 28 March is here, you see here. We saw also huge pump to the upside, right? This was our high. And we had the supermoon on 24 June. And 24 June, you saw this also very interesting here. 24 June was here. We saw small pump, but after it we saw this second rally, you see? Second rally to the upside. And right now we will have, and tomorrow we will have another supermoon. So on the 14th June will be a new supermoon. So 24 June will be another supermoon.
So supermoon is when the moon is full, and it's when it's the closest moon to the Earth.
Yes. So this not means that we are going to the moon, but based on the past, usually it was like a sign of a huge pump, right? This is, I mean, technically, why I'm expecting we will see relief rally, because we are heavily oversold, this one thing, and second thing, because we see bullish divergence on the daily, and also obviously because of this supermoon, but this is not this only theory, right? This is not.
Usually it pumps hard on the full moons. It's good theory. Like now everyone's panic selling. By the end of today, a lot of the people that wanted to sell will be out. E-gold is going to $29, but we're on a major support right now. Remember, Chris?
E-gold.
Remember?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Fuck.
E-gold guys went from 550.
This E-gold. Wait, I turn off the supermoon. The moon. This way. Wow. At $40.
Here.
Wow, we are right now on major support on E-gold, guys. So this is a huge support at $40. When is the next support?
Here is a big one. 25 is after that, but here is a very big support for E-gold.
But 25, 26, 27 is the next huge support. So if we break further down Bitcoin, then we will see also
E-gold. Every chart, nearly all charts erased the whole 2020, 2022.
Crazy, right?
For 2 years, the whole pump.
But look at this, it's like also like a huge head and shoulders. Look, we go to the minus, Vlad. To minus, you owe money, man, if you're holding E-gold.
This is like everything, huh? What else is like this? It's what's another major alt?
Solana. Let us watch Solana. Solana, guys, you want to see Solana? Write one in the chat.
So USDT. Also, look, the whole pump and gone, all gone. The whole 2 years gone.
This is not the whole chart.
Solana USDT from 21st of August.
They started 21st August.
Yeah, it's not so old
really?
project, Solana.
Really? They start 21st August? You sure?
This is on KuCoin, yeah. KuCoin this quickly.
Fuck.
From $28 all the way to $240, and then all the way back.
So we are right now $27. But just imagine what an opportunity, bro. I mean, if this project survives, I mean, we will be sure back then at $200. This could be 10x. This is what you never should forget, guys. Slow rock. Somebody writing. This what you. Solana is the next Luna.
But see, how do we pull up browser? Can you open browser? Because we can look at the market cap of the cryptocurrencies. Because the problem,
do you want?
Coin market cap. So guys, this is that's on Twitter. Market.
Oh, Ron, what's up, bratan? We are right now in a live stream. How are you? Where you
Ron
were?
predicted the drop. Ah, good to see you.
This is a very nice guy. This is a very nice guy, bratans. So this is what we are usually doing the whole time, guys. We are chilling, drinking coffee, and analyzing all crypto. So what do we want?
You're happy, so that means you're like already all USD.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today was destruction.
I like to see
Crazy.
that. I won so many bets now.
Why?
Bitcoin going down below 24.
Yeah.
I also
Yeah,
won the
he
bet
won the
here
bet
with,
on me.
with Jamie.
Fuck. We had $1,000 better when it below 26. I said this
few-
was
few Ethers,
capitulation.
I got few Ether.
Oh, nice.
Few ether.
Yeah.
Shit, we had also to
Make bigger.
bigger $500,000 or something.
Now he asked me if you can pay in dirham. I said no.
Oh, is this the guy coming now?
No.
Oh.
How much ETH? Ron-
Five.
Ron make a bet where he won 5 ETH. Wow. Crazy, man. This is very nice.
So he asked me if we can pay in dirham. I said no. Pay in. I want you to pay in it. I want me to put it in a clean wallet, and I want you to see that actually in 5 years
How it grow up,
it
yeah?
will be $100,000
Shit.
that you lost.
Funny and cruel.
So what?
Ron is a VC in crypto. You want to be on the... You don't like. You want to be...
In the screen? Is it okay or you don't want?
What's that?
It's live
live.
stream.
Live stream.
with YouTubers.
You want? No?
There's like 5, 6
I can say
crypto.
hello. If you want.
Ron is a VC in crypto.
Oh,
guys.
shit.
Five ETH is worth $500 soon.
Shit. Just imagine, man.
So you hear everything, or
They hear everything.
nice?
No, you don't know, man.
Okay, we need these stands.
Yeah, I have.
Babe, we need to buy these phone stands. It's so much easier with instant.
What's about the red shirts? It's like a bear market.
This is the red candle, man.
Bear market fashion.
Bear market.
Yeah, we did it by accident, but it's true, huh?
Yeah.
Why are you in black?
Ciao.
Black is neutral. I mean, I'm quite happy about the whole situation because I know the bottom is near, very near.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It's quick, huh?
very quick this time.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be.
Tell this to everyone, because your opinion, guys, Ron, he's been in this space for ages. Okay, so you think the bottom is already near?
Yeah, actually, Bitcoin
yeah.
might go down to 18.
His
1,000?
opinion is very
I got buy
important.
orders
man.
at 19K.
How much? How much you say?
18.
Somewhere around 18. It could be a little bit higher. Not down than this, I think. ETH could go to 800.
Yeah.
Between 800 to 600. That's
Yeah.
my estimation. In the lowest point.
You're gonna start buying back in
I'm
at
gonna
these targets?
I'm gonna buy a
It's so
lot.
quick.
So yeah, it was quick this time, the fall down, without any China banning anything. This is not the FUD this
3
time.
years, like wow.
The FUD this time of this bear market is the DPEG, you know.
Ah, yeah.
So DPEG is the new China banning
But
crypto.
but you think USDT will be gone
No.
soon?
For sure not. USDT is very safe.
Should I make also
Yes.
here?
This is cool. We get these stands and then it's like
Yeah.
a full stadium with us.
Wait a minute.
How many people are
Mine, mine just started out like 300. It's like just 400. But they all look great.
Rotation is blocked.
Wait, just turn.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Nice.
So Ron predicted all of this, by the way. He said 69. He had a bet with MMCrypto that the top would be at 69
Yeah, I said 69.
Yes, 69,000. He
On the dot.
He bet a private plane and a trip to like Thailand.
But what was the bet?
I said the top gonna be 69.
No way.
Yes.
Look, this guys, you say I'm
1 year
Nostradamus.
before.
He's Nostradamus.
Oh shit! Is this crack?
What?
It's crack.
What's crack?
Screen.
Ah, yeah, but this.
Oh, before.
I bought iPad and it fall down and then I was too lazy to change it. But bro, how much it was all in all? A private you bet a private jet,
was-
flight.
Yeah. I mean, it was like a nice trip
So it was-
together to someone.
But this was like a bet for $100,000, right?
No less. Like a nice trip together to someone. I mean,
But private jet alone.
we are
is
not
wrong.
crazy people. Crazy people can take it to the million. Right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
We are very common people.
We
This
are.
other run was flipping coin. You know the other run? The Ethereum run.
I know.
Flipping coin for $1 million each flip.
What?
This other
But many
run,
times.
But
Yeah.
what he did?
he was flipping heads and tails, but $1 million bet. And they did it many times.
What again?
Heads or tails.
Heads or tails, flipping
If
coin.
you lose $1 million lost. And it,
To you, for example.
Yeah,
You say head.
No,
I say.
someone play
You say
with
you-
someone
you
else.
say-
Yeah, with someone. I mean, if
Yeah.
we saying like you say head, I say number.
Yeah,
and
you owe
then-
me $1 million. Now, you
No
owe me-
way. Did you hear it, guys? What the fuck?
You know the guy, right?
I don't know. I don't know him. I heard a lot about him.
Yeah.
He,
Never mind.
but he invested really early, right, in Bitcoin.
Ethereum.
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 Wow, crazy man.
Can you imagine, like, it creates Ethereum, all these Ethereums and Bitcoins? Wow, they held on, they're not selling.
Wow.
You're smart, you sell everything. Ron closes his position.
Yeah, back in the
Someone asked if you have a Twitter.
No.
He's VC,
He don't have anything.
he not do any, he just make money.
Klar kann ich öfter über Krypto livestreamen, Brother.
How have you been? You're the happiest crypto VC ever.
Why?
Everyone else is like dying, pulling their hair out, and you're like smiling.
I mean,
But you, yeah,
what's
you
to be
prepared.
said? I mean, it's like
Oh, you want to tell them how? You
the
wanna say
entry,
about-
my entry point become sooner now.
Yeah, very quick.
Yeah.
Do you
For
want to tell
me,
them how you lost to Luna C? Luna USD?
oh, I lost only 200K, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought it was 20 million something.
Me? No, 200K.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
On USD?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, not in USD, on Luna.
That's it. I only lost 200K. No,
Only lost 200k.
but I, mean, I
In 2
thought it
hours.
was 20 million.
In 2
But
hours.
I,
Yeah. I thought it was 20 million.
No, 200K.
Oh, okay, nice. Thank God.
Thank God.
Yeah, much
crazy man.
I mean, still a lot of money, right?
But do you?
No, not
but
after
when
I
do
said
you
20
think the
million.
bottom is in? When do you think exactly the bottom is in?
For me, what I'm looking at is market cap. I'm not looking
Yeah.
at BTC, I'm not looking at ETH, I'm looking
Market
at the
cap.
whole market cap, yeah. So,
Right now, the market cap is at $58 trillion. Ah, no, 461 billion.
And ETH 150 billion. They're still high.
So when yeah,
no, the entire market cap. Look
yeah,
at the entire market cap.
800 billion.
how much
nice
is the
space.
entire market cap? Where?
Nine-
976 billion.
976, right?
Yeah, and
So
the
at
last support
Fast
was,
nearly 1 trillion market cap, the whole market. And what
Yeah.
you watching?
and the support was at 800 billion.
So for
do you-
me, I'm looking at the last all-time high in the last bull market.
Yeah,
It
here.
was around 750
750 the
billion. Now, I assume you can add to that 10%, and that's going to
You
be
want?
Yeah.
Can you again tell again what?
So according to my model,
Yeah.
if you look at the last bull run, all-time high market cap,
Wait a minute, I turn off this what I draw here. Yeah.
it was somewhere around 700.
And this was the previous high.
$1 billion, right?
The previous bell.
Years, 2017 somewhere.
Here it was 750 billion, right?
Yes.
So
Somewhere in 2017,
yeah, 750 billion. Yeah.
So
Oh, we're very close.
I'm adding to that something like 10%. Meaning,
Down.
No.
Up.
Up. Meaning
Up.
820 billion, something like that.
Oh, we're here.
Right?
We're already here. We're 100 billion off.
So I think this is the bottom for this round.
Already?
You
In one
think-
day? Like,
No,
not one day, but
it's not gonna go there.
it's
today.
already only...
Yeah, today is a major crash. I'm not
Today was
counting on
big,
it.
huh? What the
It
fuck?
can go up tomorrow. Obviously, it will.
It will, yeah.
But then it will slowly, gradually go down until we see a market cap of 800.
But what's
Million.
the... Why,
Billion.
why not start now if it's only 100 billion left?
Because you still have time. Still a lot
Yeah.
of going to
There
crash.
is no reason, right?
And there is no reason to
Ye-
rush in.
Yeah.
Why? Because the market will not enter into a bull market until 2 years from now. Maybe more.
Guys, you're learning from a crazy big VC in the crypto and traditional space.
Yeah, guys, you have really to hear carefully what he's saying, because when Ron is speaking, everyone in the crypto space is calm.
Thank you. So what's the point of rushing in if we know that the bull run will come so late? So if we have 2 years to calculate our steps and moves, why won't we read what's going on in the market, what's the new trends, and then in 2 years try to anticipate the new trends and then make the alphas. So I can buy today Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, but what if I will buy in 2 years the next Solana that will make me 100x, 200x in the market? So this is what we're trying as VC to find. So there is time. Obviously in 800 it will be the bottom and it will be a very good entry point. So if I have like 100% of my stables, I will obviously in that time will buy 10% of my stables. I will buy some fundamentals. I will buy Solana, I will buy Bitcoin, Ethereum,
Solana completely erased.
yeah, all of that. All of Phantom, I will buy a lot.
And
right?
this
But
is
10 to 20%, and then I will wait 2 years, and then I will go all in. That's what I would do.
so. And the crazy thing is, if you only invest in the fundamentals, you make at least 10x, right? Because if you watch Solana,
Before the bull market,
Yeah.
you can make up to 200x.
Yeah.
Solana did that.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, sure.
Solana I bought for $1
crazy.
In
He
the
bought
market.
Solana $1, guys.
in the market.
And he didn't hold on till Solana was $27. When did you sell Solana?
Gradually, like I
He was
sold it
sold
all
it when it
the
was
time.
going up. So like nearing like 250, 240.
Elrond I bought for $0.50.
Wow, 50 cent.
Yeah.
Elrond he bought at 50 cent, guys, just imagine. But right now, I mean, for the people who are not VCs, who are not, I mean, if they right now buying on dollar cost average, Solana, Phantom, all this stuff, I mean, this will make at least 10x in the next bull run, or what do you think?
I think so, but I think there is more bottom to go to.
Yeah,
So we are still talking about 20% down,
yeah,
right? If we are going to the 800, so it's still 20% down. So this is what I anticipate, just down 80%, the entire market.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about this coin or that coin. That for sure can do a lot of fluctuation.
Yeah.
But the entire market will go down 20% from now.
yeah.
So still wait.
Yeah. The crazy thing is, another 20%, this is what I talked also with my community, I showed them the S&P 500. And if S&P 500 goes another 20% down, then this is exactly the same dump like the real estate bubble, like the Corona dump, like the .com bubble, they all popped 50% down. So this would be, another 20% would be exactly around 40-50%. The S&P 500 would be also
I
down.
think it's like maximum 10% down, S&P.
No, it's right now 20%.
No, I mean more, farther.
Then it would be 30%.
20% more.
10.
I think 20. We should bet.
Maybe, no.
We should bet.
We shouldn't because it's fragile. It could be 20. But what I think is, and I'm not betting on that, only 10.
Yeah.
Okay,
I think because a big support coming, if we pop another 20%, then there's coming a big support, you know. Therefore, I think.
Okay, if you're one of these guys, one of our audience who hasn't sold anything, they held on this whole thing, ALTCOINs, Bitcoin, Cardano.
Don't sell.
Don't sell.
This is not the time to sell. All stick into it, wait. I mean, if you need the kidney and you need to sell, obviously. It's more important. But if you don't need the money like desperately, and you're just thinking about the future and you're thinking about making a lot of money, stick to it. I bet the next bull run will be something we never saw before.
You think it will be like crazy?
Crazy, like triple than this bull run.
Really?
Double to triple, yeah.
What do you think Bitcoin will go?
150, 180.
Wow, no way.
Yeah.
Just
Easy.
an Ethereum?
Ethereum could go to next time 15, 20.
Wow, 15, 20K Ethereum, just imagine. For example, I right now invested, I just bought 50,000 Ethereum, for $50,000, because I want to take the small advantage of the small relief.
You will see 15x, you will see from now.
15x?
Something like between 10 to 15x, yeah.
This would be alone, this 50,000 would be alone 500,000. Just imagine, guys, wow.
Do you guys have any questions for Ron?
And don't forget, guys, the more the market dumps, the more opportunities are in the market, like Ron also told.
Yeah.
What do you think XRP, the people are asking?
XRP?
Yes.
I'm not expert in XRP.
What to do? How do you make money in their markets? What should they do now in their market?
So if you are an expert, bear market is a beautiful time to make money. You are a day trader, you anticipate the shorts, the longs. You're doing like a lot of TA, it's very nice time for like finding alphas. But if you're not expert, just hold. Just all the fundamentals, wait. If you feel the energy to buy and sell, don't do it. Go to the beach, drink something nice or coffee and relax. Bear market is the only time for experts to make money.
Yeah.
Nice.
All the others losing money. So just stay.
Or buying on dollar cost average, right? Just buying on dollar cost average, like every
Slowly
month,
buying.
slowly buying. What do you think about this theory?
I think it's a nice theory. I think it's a nice theory as well if you're an expert. If you are not, and you are starting to buy in dollar average, then you are, sometimes you go down and you buy more and it goes down further and you don't know what to do. I mean, you spend all your money that you had, you get into panic. And in this point, a lot of people that don't have the knowledge how to handle those situations, just sell it all and say, okay, and then they are losing tons.
Yeah.
What I say is, this is not the time to make assumptions. This is not the time to make tricks of experts. Just stay, wait, listen, because the market is like crashing. And in those times, wait. Nothing will happen. The coffee of tomorrow will taste the same. Even
But
if you're not buy,
It's
sell,
like
buy,
Yoda,
sell.
guys.
Yeah.
Coffee of tomorrow will taste the same.
I mean, yeah.
Bitcoin dumping again, what the fuck, blood. Yeah, 23,
Yeah, no recovery bounce. Huh? Look at this drop from yesterday, the last 2 days.
Let's see.
Wow, again we're dumping 20.
But this can be double bottom maybe, but yeah, I think 19K.
Hopefully, because I'm in a long, guys, you know.
You're in long.
He opened it down here
Yeah.
Where?
at 23 something.
Oh, it's okay. I think
Yeah, I think we could see here
I think
some.
it's not so bad bet.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a good bet because, I mean, it could go down to 22 something, but
Yeah. But we are, look how oversold we are.
Yes, we are.
Oversold like crazy. And we see bullish divergence on the 4 hourly. Excuse me.
And what do you want to buy like for the next quarter? What do you like?
oh, this is good question. This is why I said, why should we rush into conclusions now and buy things and fundamentals now? Let's buy only with our, if we have like $100 in stables, let's use 20% out of it to buy the fundamentals of today. But we don't know what will be the fundamentals of 2 years from now. We don't know what's going to be the trend. Is it going to be L2? Is it still going to be L1? Is it going to be DeFi projects like last bull run? Is it going to be games, PlayToEarn, like, you know, like mid bull run, like Axie and others? We don't know yet what's going to be the next trend. So I said, wait 2 years, and then read everything you can around the industry and see what's going to be the next trends. It's easy because everybody's talking about the next trends. but not now. Because
But-
now it's not the next trends of 2 years from now.
What is in your opinion is the bottom? When in your opinion is the bottom?
Bottom, I told you, 800 billion market cap. I can ask people from the crowd.
Yes, yes.
No, they got
How is Kopanga?
amazing.
But one question. So at 800 billion, if the whole market cap of the whole crypto
Will
market
go
is
down.
800,
Will go down.
Yes.
To 800 billion.
But right now we are at 800 billion.
No,
so
right now we are at
920.
one at
900.
at-
So near.
No, we are near 1 trillion.
Yeah,
It's
Yeah.
970 something.
Yeah.
970 or 80.
But
950.
but when do you think in measured in years, when is the bottom in? When will be the bottom in?
In years.
Yes, so-
it could be next week,
Really?
or
He's very quick, he said.
yeah, it could be next week, or it could be like previous bear market around September, October.
But you think this year could be the bottom in?
That's what happened in the last
Yeah.
bull run, right?
Yeah, but
Last,
this is quicker.
But when we will see the rally to the upside, what do you think? I mean,
when we will see like
Yeah, like-
bull run,
yeah, this this quick huge bull run.
probably January 2025.
2025, so it's 3 years.
I mean, it could be December, starting from November 2024 till the end of 2025. Every day it's like party.
Yeah.
And you think now it's just gonna be like sideways, up sometimes, down again sometimes, just sideways.
Like stagnation. Going a little bit up,
Down.
going a lot of down. A little bit up, but it's gonna be for years now, for 2,
Oh,
3 years. Yeah.
I could wobbling, man. But the good thing is we can, as day trader or swing trader, take advantage of the small pumps and dumps. This is the good thing, right?
Yes, day traders or people that would like to understand a little bit better TA and listen to you guys can make money.
Yeah.
But I encourage them to bet on smaller amounts, not to lose their own
No,
the whole
no.
stack. Because we all need, don't forget, we all need a bunch of stables that wait for us to the year 2024. There we're gonna go all into the market and buy everything we can.
Yes.
All the trends.
Yes. Yes, this is the good thing. This is very important in such days like today where we see huge crash and like I see my portfolio like red, like crazy red, like losing 80% of my portfolio, is to watch the bigger picture that they're coming even bigger opportunities, where we can buy even cheaper.
What's your question? And someone asked about stables. If you're worried about stables, if you saw my video, or I split it between BUSD, USDC, USDT, so like 100K in each, for example. Ron is from Israel. ADA in 2025. Will you buy ADA again? These kind of things? What do you think about Cardano? Would you buy this Cardano again, or you're looking for new trend project?
I will answer just a second.
Aave, Ron was an early investor in Aave, right?
Yeah.
He was a seed investor in Aave.
No, not seed.
Oh, early.
Not seed. Early.
Do you still hold Aave or sold?
I still own.
You were trying to get OTC deal.
No, I still hold that. Not so much, but yeah. Seed investor in Elgorand, Frax.
Elrond got destroyed. It's completely erased
Yeah,
the
yeah.
whole game.
Yeah.
Crazy.
But we saw good times.
Yeah, and look at this, like, wow, crazy. Steppen is nice. Do you like this Steppen project?
Yeah.
I like Steppen because you use it, use
it's a
it
nice utility,
regardless
right?
of the,
It's a very nice utility. It's something new.
I walk every day now with Steppen.
Yeah, it's
because
very
it's
nice.
like, oh, my energy is full. Okay, I go walk. I make $10 from walking. It's just like good.
It's beautiful idea
Yeah,
and usage and utility.
yeah, very smart.
Yeah.
And people who use it, it's like good for making people not fat. Oksana uses it, or sister uses it, everyone.
Yeah.
MCRT, we're gonna build. So play to earn games. I think it's just beginning. Like no one is going to play a non-play to earn game in the future. Why would you play a game that the money's not real? So how do you find projects like Solana, Ron? How did you find Solana that was going to be?
So projects like Solana and others, you have to develop your own network. Basically, as a VC, it's easier because you are exposed to a lot of deal flow, and people who are working in the funds are, DDing decks that we are getting, and obviously we invested in many projects, so those projects are referring their network into the fund in order to get money from the fund. So we have a lot of deal flow coming in, so it's easier for us. But even before I was VC in the space, I participated in a few private groups, discussion groups, people that, coming from different areas and verticals in the field. And basically, that's where you get your initial network. It's all about people. It's all about bringing value to people and getting value from people, and share ideas and share network and share deal flow, basically. So for example, we are friends for the last 2 years, I assume? And we are already sharing deal flow, right? We co-invest in things together, and this is how it is. So you have friends in the space, you bring in them value, bring them knowledge, and if by coincidence or not coincidence, they are bumped into a very nice deal, they giving you a call, say, hey, let's join forces and let's participate in this deal together. This is how it works.
So deal flow, guys, it means like when a project is available and they need investment, the VCs, they're like, hey, guys, there's this really nice project. And if you have a good network, you can share each other these nice projects to invest in. What are the most demanding skills?
Wait a minute. What are the most demanding skills to learn now and earn the money for investing in crypto? Sales, coaching?
This is whatever you like to do, whatever you can make money, what your passion is. He's asking like, how do you make money to put into crypto? What would you recommend?
Ron don't have a channel, guys.
I mean,
it's exclusively here on our channel for you.
Ron is like big VC. He chilling on islands all the time and traveling.
He don't have to do this.
I don't understand the question. How you make money in order to invest
in crypto? What would you recommend?
You can go to McDonald's and earn money. Right? It doesn't matter how you bring the initial money. It's matter what you do with this money and how you convert your money into crypto and how you make more money out of your crypto. So for example, I started with an initial investment of $10,000. This was my entry point, I would say. I even remember I wrote a check to someone, OTC, privately, and he sold me a few Ethereum back then. This is how I started. So I put my Ethereum and converted it into other coins. I invested it into private sale. I did a lot of stuff back then. Some of them, obviously, I lost, but most of them, it was back then in 2016, so it was a beautiful time to get into the market. Almost everything you did back then, you earned a lot of money. And I will tell you that for sure. If you are first timers and you are taking your money now and getting into the market, most likely you will lose money. If you will wait till 2024, most likely you will win money. If you are not on the beginner level and you are like mid-level, high level, bear markets is a beautiful time to make money for you guys. But you have to learn TA closely and listen to experts.
And risk management, yes, very important.
So to summarize it, if your question is how you make money to get into crypto, I would suggest you don't start now.
Wow, guys, we see Bitcoin is further going down. I think yes, we 23,600. We are shit. We are dumping like the whales are shitting around, man. You see, my whole iPad is full of shit right now. Wow, man, 23,000. You want your phone?
Yeah.
23,000. Suka, blad.
Beautiful guys. I love everyone is lucky to be like learning from Ron.
Shit, 23,000.
Slavic Crypto. Slavic's channel is Slavic Crypto.
Fuck, 23,600, guys. I told you, if we break with a 15-minute candle, with a clear 15-minute candle.
Will you hold? Do you still hold
23,900, we will see it further down.
Sure.
But
still
we are
hold that?
right
Yeah.
now.
Not all of that, obviously.
Oh shit! Yes, we.
I sold many
I think this could be go to
2021.
And he said not to sell things now. He thinks like if
No,
500.
not to sell anything. The most stupid things now is to sell things. Don't sell. Please don't sell.
it's
Hold,
already too
wait.
late now.
It's too late to sell.
Yeah. So we could see Bitcoin 22,600 right now, guys. If we're closing this candle right now in 7
Oh, still
minutes,
dumping.
I think I expecting here to see Bitcoin at 22,500, 22,600. So this could be a short opportunity if we close this candle in 6 minutes. This could be a short opportunity from here to 22,600 of 4% and average 40%. If thank you, Ron. People writing. 40% if we close this candle right now, 50-minute candle, like this. Wow,
Really?
shit.
20%.
What advice you give them? If they like lost all their money in
What do
this,
you mean? Lost?
like they all their investments, it's dropped to like nothing. They're like panicking. What would you do if they lost? They had $100,000. They put it all into crypto in the bull run. They lost everything. What's your advice to them?
I have only one advice. First, don't think of it as a loss if you didn't sell it. All right? So, yes, mark to market, it's probably in value lower than your entry price. I understand that. But if you didn't sell, then you didn't lose. What I suggest to you is like to hold, wait, and sell in the right time, which will be, unfortunately, only in 2025. If you cannot wait and you have, and you need the money, badly, then you will lose, because then you will sell and you will lose this money. I would suggest to be patient. You didn't lose your money until you sold it in a loss. Always think about it. You still have coins. Coins are assets. You didn't lose your assets. It's in your belongings. Right?
And what happens if they burn all their money? They still have a job, and now in the bull run it dropped. They sold at a loss. They all their assets, their cash is gone, and they sold their tokens. What do you recommend them to do?
If you lose really everything.
They lose their job.
No, they have their job still.
They have the day job, all right?
And they lost all their. They invested their life savings in crypto. It dropped. They sold it at the loss. Now they've got nothing left in savings, crypto. What should they be doing? Stay away from crypto, or
Yes, work hard, earn money in your day job, and go back in 2 years from now. That's what I would suggest.
this guy's back on my channel now.
Really?
Some guy, Jesus asked, you read this? He keeps coming on our channels and posting.
USDT depegging more. Wow, shit.
What do you think about all this oil, commodities?
I'm not worried about USDT or USDC.
Why?
Because I have a feeling that they are well backed with real assets.
333 people in here. Guys, everyone smash up the thumbs up button.
300. Everyone who is right
What
now
do you
here,
think about
smash
gas,
the like button,
oil,
brothers.
commodities? Do you
Wow,
invest
we are
in this stuff?
dropping further,
What's that?
blood.
What do you think about natural gas, oil, commodities?
It's far from crypto, right?
Do you invest in this stuff?
I would wait till the markets all the markets will stop with all these shakedowns, right? All the markets are fragile at the moment. I wouldn't suggest, do any radical thing like start to invest in a new area like gas, oil, others. Oil is in the top or close to the top, right? Investing now in oil, I don't know if it's a smart idea.
Oh, cool. We hit 75,000 subscribers. Awesome, guys.
Congratulations, brother.
Woohoo, just now.
Nice.
Thank you, guys. You're the best.
Oh, MMCrypto is here. Was geht ab, bratan?
Yo.
What's up, MMCrypto?
But is it really him?
Yeah, here. He's
Nice.
his tech man.
Chris.
Chris is here.
Yeah.
Nice. Maybe you want to make a new bet with Chris?
No,
Here?
no.
Chris, by the way, I made a bet with Jamie and I won.
He won the bet.
Let's go.
Best people.
Best people. Best bratan. Nice.
Ron has the same, like on any individual coin, he's saying that he thinks that the whole market can pull back another 20%. Because they're asking individual, like, what do you think about Tron? What do you think about...
Individually, I don't know. As I said before.
Can you put this over there?
Sure.
Thank you. Can you guys hear us from there normal?
One in the chat if you hear us, guys. Put one in the chat if you hear us.
Can you all hear us normal? Put one if you can hear us normal. Two if you...
Two if you don't hear us. One if you hear us, two if you don't hear us. Nice and clear, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ethereum 1,186.
Fuck!
Holy shit.
Motherfucker! I think we can drop down. Wait a minute. We can drop down
What
to
is the market cap? What is the market cap?
80,
No,
1,007.
we still have time to go down, even down from here.
It's at the previous all-time high, below the previous all-time high in 2018.
Hello? Can I have another Americano?
800.
I need another black coffee, guys, because I get in here crazy.
Ah, yeah, Ethereum is in general.
Yeah, can I have
Блять. Okay, we are closing below 23.
Wait, you can't. Now you can hear. It's because Chris was calling my phone. Now
Shit.
you guys can hear.
I think I have to close my positions.
If Chris will call me,
This nigga guy, like, I can't even say it. This guy is again posting. Man, go get get a job or something. Why would you come onto a chat to just be posting stupid stuff?
Oh.
Makes no sense. Hide user. Yeah.
And
Hide user on this channel. Hide user on this channel. He comes on and writes like crazy messages on both.
I made my mistake, moderator.
Is sound back, guys?
Shit, I have to close my positions, man. We will go further down.
Yeah, I closed everything.
Yeah, close
I
position. Shit.
closed 2 days ago. I made on the plane. I was getting on the plane. I was like,
huh?
How are you?
Very
What's
good.
up? Where are you, bratan?
you seeing the live?
You're doing better than the Bitcoin price, right?
He's happy. Bitcoin is dropping and Ron is happy.
Why not?
Oh, wow. That doesn't sound nice. Let me actually quickly go into the car so I'm happy.
No, I'm not.
Like Chris is here.
I'm happy because I'm happy. I'm not happy because of Bitcoin.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, our degree of happiness should not be correlating with the price.
Of course.
Otherwise we would have like this.
Of course.
Oh my god.
We are veteran. We know those cycles, right?
Yeah, exactly. I don't even care too much. It's just sad for the trades and for followers, but just for the portfolio, if you have one Bitcoin, the price goes down, you still have one Bitcoin.
That's what I said before to the audience. I mean, you didn't lose until you sell, and if you don't sell, it's not a loss. It just you have an asset.
It's not a loss. In fact, it's nothing because we buy Bitcoin to escape US dollar, so that when the price goes down and we escape US dollar, we have less shit now because US dollar went down. It's good.
Yeah,
positive.
it's true. And actually, if you have more US dollars, you can actually buy Bitcoin now, or not now. You wait a little bit and see where the market goes, and then you will have a possibility to buy more, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So for me, every dip down is an opportunity. I actually deposited more money on a trading account, just US dollar tether, because I really want to get this freaking dip. And of course, the question is, when is it going to happen? I'll just open. If I get left on this one, I open another one. If I get left, I open another one lower. I'll just keep opening trades until I hit the bottom.
That's nice. That's nice.
When, Chris, when do you think, when is the bottom in?
So I always predicted, right? Weekly close 28,800. I was actually correct for the last few months, but now I was wrong because we closed below. And I admit that I was wrong, but I always said if I will be proven wrong, I will admit it. And then my new price target is the 200-week moving average. I think probably you guys agree, 22,000 approximately. But Bitcoin can break down, but I think on the weekly close 22,000.
We're already there. We're like at
Of course, we
23,700.
can always break down and completely clear out the market, liquidate every long, including ours if we open some. And but I think 22,000 should be the bottom, the 200-week. We have 11-year or 12-year historical confidence with the 200-week moving average, and I think it will hold.
Yeah, it's not far from my expectation of 22. 22 is solid number. Yeah.
For everyone watching, if Ron says 22, it's gonna be 22.
No, I mean,
Yeah, you see, guys, everyone is really impressed of Ron. We are really big fans of Ron because he has no YouTube channel, but he is in the background and he's always right. He's crazy, this guy, man.
Let me share one story. I had a bet with Ron in the end of 2020, I think. And we were making a bet. The bet was for like a big holiday, like first class, nice villa, everything. The loser has to pay. And his prediction was actually in the end of 2020, I think end of 2020, his prediction was 69,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. That was the exact bull market high. And of course, I was betting higher, but this guy was correct. And of course, I paid the vacation and we had a good time. But yeah, he was already correct on the dot, on the spot, on the US dollar. And if he says 22,000 now, I think it's a good sign.
Crazy.
yeah. Maybe in the future, until end of the year, we can see even lower number. But for this cycle, I think
You want
22 is like. Yeah, I know. But what can I do? This is reality, man. Let's not forget.
It's reality, we are bulls.
Yeah, but let's not forget that we are in bear now, and it's good for the audience to understand that as well. So in bear, we're gonna, suffer from this situation for additional 2 years, I assume, until the next halving. And next Bitcoin halving would be, I think in market cap, we're gonna see triple all-time high than the last bull market. Is what I think.
Crazy.
So hold tight.
So like 180, 200,000 US dollars, right?
Yes, 180,
I think-
150 to 180. This
I
is my
think,
estimation.
guys, we are going down to 23,600. 22,600.
It makes sense, and based upon your track record, it should happen exactly like this. But if we have 2 years more bear market, and if we find a lower price,
Can you turn?
then a few things would be happening for the first time. It would be the longest bear market in history, and for the first time, we would close below the 200-week moving average, and below the previous all-time high if we did below 19,700. So all of these would be first-time events for Bitcoin. Probably then the argument is that this time it is different, right? With money printing.
Yeah, it is different. It's true. It is different, but because I think the downfall is
Guys,
came,
I think if we
before
close this
we anticipated.
15-minute
It could be
candle,
before
like
COVID,
this,
because of COVID,
you
because
see
of the
here a
war
lot of,
in Ukraine
resistance
and
at
Russia.
23,800,
Many reasons, right?
Right now,
But
then we see
I
Bitcoin
think-
down to
I think the main reason for
22,800,
extending the bear
22,600.
market
So
this
this
time
could be short opportunity.
probably is just the circumstances,
And I had
not
Americano, one Americano.
because something has changed in the timing of the bigger cycles.
So,
The bigger
yeah,
cycles are always the
20
same. It's 5 years.
This
cycles.
could be a short
It's always the same.
opportunity of
Yeah, Ron always does these predictions, not
could be
based off
short
TA, but
opportunity
cycles.
of at least 3.7%, 10x average 37%, 4.5%, 10x average 45%, I think.
It legitimizes Bitcoin. I mean, it adds new use cases, right? People in Ukraine, they actually need Bitcoin, if banks are shutting down and so on. So I think all of these events will help Bitcoin decouple from the stock markets and in the end also from the US dollar, right? I mean, it's very heavily correlating with the US dollar index. US dollar index going down, Bitcoin going up, US dollar going up, Bitcoin going down. But I think the decoupling is inevitably going to happen soon within the next 1-2 years.
Yeah.
I think we can have a crazy drop because this Saylor, you see this Saylor? He's down $800 million.
Who is saying?
Michael Saylor. I
really?
think some liquidation thing can happen.
Yes, Chris, what do you think about will Michael Saylor ever be liquidated? What do you think? And could be this the huge black swan event? What people are still expecting?
I don't think so because actually I thought that the liquidation price would be around like 22 or something, but it's not because only a small portion of the holdings of MicroStrategy are more on margin. So as far as I know, but not 100% sure, the liquidation price is somewhere at 6,000 US dollars. I think he tweeted, I only get concerned if the price goes to 6,000. So
Can I have one more?
I think their margin call is coming very, very low. And I think we all agree on that we are not going to go to 6,000, right?
I don't think also that we are going to 6,000, but I mean,
No.
but if we are going to six, hopefully we are
tell
going.
you, we are not going there.
But hopefully then we can buy even more Bitcoin.
We are not going there. We are not going there. Oh, sorry, there's a dog. A very loud dog. I personally, now I expect 22,000 as the weekly close. We can go lower, but for sure we are not going to go into these areas. I mean, that is... I would actually loan money and buy more Bitcoin if we go to 6,000. And I'm actually strictly against doing something like this.
I think 13K is worst case.
I will join you.
Yeah. We're going to get all the loans in the world and just pump it into Bitcoin.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Nice. So, guys, it's 5 minutes until the 15-minute candle closes.
How is it?
In my opinion, this could be a short opportunity to 22,600. I told you that if this candle closes below 800, 600 between this level, please do your own research. I'm only telling you what I'm doing. This
Sure.
is
Let's
instead of
be
whiskey, I have here
a couple and
black.
let's even join the Dubai tournament.
Can you put the phone over there?
What?
Can you put the phone over there?
Ah, yeah, sure.
Football is always my number one, but this is my favorite sport.
Yeah, I agree.
Switch between our channels. You want to see like
Football is always number one.
Yes.
But yeah, it's very good.
Crypto Slavic,
And
James Crypto.
James Crypto Guru. And subscribe to our channels, guys. Crypto Guru and Slavic Crypto. 4 minutes.
Sure, bro.
4 minutes until the candle closes, bro.
Would love to meet you in Ibiza so we can talk about this because it's really beautiful time here.
Maybe I'll join you in Ibiza. It was beautiful. Yes.
Maybe we come all to Ibiza down.
Yes.
All together. I think this would be nice. Then when we're streaming
Chris
and
got us
everyone
all
is-
to come to address Skyview. All of us. We all moved house. Fucking came.
Yeah, it's only because of you, brother. It's only because of you.
I know I left and you're all alone.
Yes.
Now the other Skyview coming to Ibiza.
I will make a group and you all join in Ibiza. We do nice content. We do like...
Now when we coming, you moving.
Then you come back to Dubai.
But do you promise that if we come to Ibiza, you're not going back to Dubai?
Ron is moving his whole family each time, Chris. You gotta be careful. His kids change school.
I go back to the address, guys.
For sure.
3 minutes. The crazy thing is, bro, more and more people are moving because of you here.
Let's text. I would love to see you guys here. If you are coming, I would say
Okay, bro.
1 month and
Soon I'm gonna be alone in like 8-9 days. I'm gonna be alone here, and it would be cool to have some friends around.
Maybe let's go to Ibiza.
yeah, for holiday,
Yes.
not for moving. I like
Guys, what do you
Yeah.
what do you think?
Let's
Should
plan.
we all go to Ibiza and do all together content? One in the chat if you think so. Write it down below, guys. Also you.
That's good, great. And actually, guys, I know we shouldn't spend too much money in the bear market, so we can share Miller all together, pay it in crypto, and of course, if we are sharing, we are spending less, and we have more to buy more Bitcoin, and that makes sense. We are more happy, we have more action, and we are saving some money.
What do you still have your cars here, or did you sell them for? We know the bottom's
Guys,
in when you sell them
only
all for Bitcoin.
only 2 minutes 20 until the 50-minute candle. My expectation is that we are going then to see Bitcoin at 22,800, 22,600, guys.
I can get, how many Bitcoin can I get for this? Like
500?
50 Bitcoin or so?
50, yeah.
55 Bitcoin I can get for the McLaren.
Don't forget, Bratans, we are trading here on ByBit. On
If
ByBit,
you
you
need,
get right
I
now
can help you. Like they come to
4,620 for
address
free
Skyview and I show
after
them the car
initial
or
deposit.
something.
And on ByBit, you get 30 days zero maker feature. My link is down below, guys. Instead of $400, you get
No, it's all good.
4,620
And then we
for
know,
free. ByBit
then I
link
know the
is down
bottom's
below,
in, and
30
then I can
seconds
go all
only.
in. When you sell the car, Chris buys the McLaren, all his cars at the top. So now he's gonna sell it at the bottom. He doubles his money, 4 times your money. His best investments are his cars. He
Yeah,
buys
this
a
is
$1.2
crazy,
million McLaren. It's now 4 million. Say again.
The McLaren I bought with altcoins, so I can actually buy 5, 6, 7 times more altcoins now, or even more, 8, 9 times more altcoins, which I sold for the McLaren. So that would be great.
Your audience should know your like best trades, like the times you call the perfect is your cars.
Yeah, even without knowing,
Yeah.
it's just the perfect trade. I don't even know, but it happens to be the perfect action.
And I think you did this the
So
last
I'm
time
gonna
as
sell
well.
that now. It's a good idea. Thank you, man.
About Celsius, guys, I don't know. I have to watch what Celsius.
Brother,
I will
go
watch
to a
for you
trip.
guys.
Go to a trip.
I will watch in a minute.
Bye.
See you, Chris.
Bye.
Bye, Chris.
Bye, Bratan. 15-minute chart is relevant for day trader, Bratan. For day trader, it's absolutely relevant. So let us watch what will happen here. RSI is cooling down, so we see cooling up. Yes, we will see right now, but I expecting, because we closed here this 15-minute candle below our support at 23,800, 900. So I'm expecting that we see another dump to 22,800, 600. This is another huge support where we are coming in. Yeah, let us see, guys. This one, Celsius. What is the tag for Celsius? Let us watch. But Celsius, I think.
Celsius was a stable. It's like a Luna that
What?
dropped like 60% yesterday. Get out if you can, because they. Oh no, I think you can't get out of Celsius anymore. They blocked withdrawals.
Let us.
Celsius is too late. Anyone have any questions on my channel? Guys, I haven't been reading the chat.
Whoa, shit! What happened with Celsius,
They
man?
blocked withdrawals.
Oh,
Wow, but what happened with them?
It's like a Luna, like a stable coin.
I think they were overexposed to Luna.
It's Celsius stablecoin. Celsius network is not stablecoin. It's up, right? To $10 or something.
No, it's like a Luna, like a similar.
Celsius is like
What is the
Maria
tag
is
for
here.
Celsius?
it's like
Oh, Maria, what's up, Bratan?
Hello, how are you?
we are like
We are live.
in a session, live session.
Everyone love the market. Everyone love the market.
Did you sell everything?
Huh?
Were you in USD?
We dress like the market.
You jinx it. You jinx it. That's why we did it.
You want to come sit next to Ron? Then we will see you also in the live stream.
I think nothing will perform well in bear market. Cold Dow, as all, only things that will last in the long term is important. So like if the people are going to keep building the project for the next bull run, so PlayToEarn games that the team is going to keep building, anything that will, Binance will keep building. Love you guys. Wow, 1 hour we've been live streaming. You're all amazing. How does it like being here with us?
It's nice, right? Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. We are watching right now the 15-minute candle. Look at this. Yup.
I think now it's too late to sell anything. It's close to the bottom. We're very close. Altcoins a little can drop more, but Bitcoin, it's already too low. About patents? What do you mean? Patents? You don't need to spam, Lauren.
You are amazing, people writing.
Target BNB, I think you can go. Here is pretty good to start buying. 131, I think, is very low. SL, make money, what Ron said, and start building capital for the next bull run.
Will you be with us when we are broke? Will you still be with us?
It's okay, I'm gonna be broke too. It's fine.
We all broke then. USDD is unpacked today. It's following Celsius soon. What's USDD?
It's a Tron stablecoin.
Ah, Tron. So Tron is going also.
Yeah, Tron is putting 2 billion in to try and hold up their USDT.
Oh.
It's exactly
so
like
shorting Tron.
It's
We
exactly
should
like
shorting
UST.
Tron.
They're not learned.
Let us watch
Tron is
Tron.
making $2 billion of Bitcoin. They're selling it to put into to hold up Tron.
Yeah.
The peg.
I told you,
It's exactly the same.
China banning.
So you think
Yeah.
Tron will be
Yeah.
also?
Ron said DPEG is the new China ban. If you were in 2017, every day China was banning Bitcoin, and this was the reason for the market dropping. Now it's Celsius, UST, USDD.
Whoa, jobane vrot, look at what happens. Whoa, guys, look at
Tron.
Oh, so Tron. Look at Tron, guys. What the fuck? Tron. Wow, Tron is bleeding, man. Tron is...
Yeah, if you're in DeFi, I would be very careful if you've got any stables locked or something like this.
Wow, Tron at 20% also.
Anti.
Nothing more beautiful than having her at such a bad time. They're writing nothing more beautiful than having her at such a bad time.
Guys, who would you rather be talking with, Ron or Marie?
For sure, with Marie they want.
1 if Ron, 2 if Marie.
I know who I want to talk with.
Who?
They said both. Vanessa's sweet. Vanessa said both.
Wow, shit. Yeah. Oh, so.
Yes,
so
thank you.
USDD. Let us watch what is happening with USDD, guys.
Can you put it back over there?
It was there all the
Thank
time.
you.
We knew it.
So let us watch at USDD, bratans. What is happening here with USDD? USDD.
Everyone said Ron. They all want to speak to you. No one said Marie. You know the panic.
Oh, look at what is.
Yeah, they all want to talk to you, not Maria.
Fuck. USDD, look what's happening with USDD. Fuck. Man. But this could be huge short opportunity on Tron, man. No, Ron has no Twitter, brothers. Look. Fuck. You see this? USDD. But, Job, I think this could be another shorting this whole fucking mark.
Was he gonna spend the $1,000 that you won on the bet with?
Yeah.
Strong, stable.
Bratan, this is very good. This is what Marie yesterday.
Was 98 cents.
Marie give me a very good how it called.
Question.
Yes, that the $1,000 which you lost, we can use as a bonus for our psychology app for your next psychology sessions.
Yeah, I
You
need all
know.
this lost my hair falling out. Look.
Crazy, man. But guys, look at this. This is what do you think, guys? Is maybe Tron the next short opportunity like Luna? Because look, they're losing they're depegging the USDT. What do you think, guys? Tron? Will Tron also have the same like Luna?
I think Tron is making a mistake. They're doing the same thing. They're selling Bitcoin to try and hold the peg. And then when they stop holding it, it drops like crazy.
So you think it could be a short opportunity?
Bitcoin is 23,000.
Yeah, that's another.
What?
23,000.
Bitcoin 23,000, Ethereum 1,200.
23,000 Joban wrote.
23,600.
Ah, yeah, 23,600. Yeah.
Ethereum 1,195.
Yeah, everyone, I'm closing the live. You can jump onto Crypto Slavik's channel if he's going to stay live. Slavik,
Yeah, I will be live, yeah. I'm live. So, Bratans, joining Slavic Crypto, we are still live here. joining Slavic Crypto here.
Love you all.
Oh, fun.
And check out my video today. I showed my thoughts on the markets. Number one, big kisses. Thank you all for watching. Thank Ron for all his amazing insights. Ron's a genius, by the way. We'll get him.
No.
Let's get him talking on the channel more. He's super experienced VC, not just in crypto. Thank Crypto Slavic. See you all again tomorrow.